Part of the commitment that I've made to you, the members of my tribe, is that I will help you in every way I can to help you achieve your goals and the goals you have in your life. And one of the things that I have said is that I recognize how difficult it is to get monetized on YouTube. You have to have 1,000 subscribers and you have to have, I believe it's 4,000 hours of viewing. And that's a large hurdle. It's a restriction to entry. So what I have said is that if you want to use my channel to expose yourself to my viewers, I'll help you. I'll do a wrap. In other words, I'll introduce you to my viewers, and you tell us what you want to do and how you want to do it, and then I will tell the viewers how to get in touch with you or to find your YouTube channel and how to subscribe. And that's my commitment to you, to help you make a better life for yourself. Today, I want to introduce you to Ran Gavriely. Ran has contacted me some time ago to take me up on this, and he sent me a video, and I said, no, Ran, that's not what I want to see. I want you to make these changes, and I've done this to a couple of people. So what I like about Ran is that he's of a different generation. He's of a different background than me, and he has different views, and I think he has some strengths that will benefit you. So here's Ran Gavriely, and you'll find a link to his YouTube channel in the description.
Hello, my name is Ran Gavriely, and this channel is all about helping you protect your assets, your future, and your wealth. By understanding how central banks and government works, we are going to build a strategy that is not only going to safeguard you through an economic collapse, but also increase your wealth substantially. Now, what do I mean by that exactly? Let me briefly share with you my personal story and explain. As I was growing up, I was always told by grown-ups around me, study hard, get a good job, and things will work out just fine. I followed that advice. I worked my way through university and started a good job as a programmer. Got married, got a wonderful baby boy and 2 amazing dogs. But things aren't like they used to be. We got more gadgets like smartphones, but necessities of life, like housing, became out of reach. I started checking and I found out that people of our generation are struggling to get by in many different countries all around the world. So, I'm going to tell you exactly what I think, and some of you are going to like me and some of you not. But I'm not going to be polite. I'm just going to tell you what I have to tell you. Because I believe understanding what's happening right now is the most important thing you're going to hear in your lifetime. Governments around the world are inflating the currency supply and intentionally understating inflation. The game is rigged. What's happening right now is the greatest wealth transfer in history, and we are going to participate in it and come out ahead. Right now, the dollar is below 3% of purchasing value. We are getting closer to the end. At the next crisis, all confidence in the US dollar will be lost. The central banks are losing control. They couldn't raise rates to prepare for this crisis we are experiencing right now. And I got to tell you, you need to have a plan. Invest internationally to diversify your currency and political risks. Get cheap cash flow to pay your monthly expenses. Move places to reduce your expenses and your taxes. By following this strategy, I've substantially increased my net worth. I can go anywhere in the world at any time and do anything. My personal mission is to translate financial noise into understandable language, because I believe that the best investment you can make in your lifetime is your own education. Education about investing, education about personal finance, education about how the global economy works. This will enable you to make educated choices that supports your best interest first. There is ton of new content every single week. We discuss stuff like investing and very important economic issues. Everything that is critical for your financial success and personal freedom. So smash the subscribe button so you don't miss a thing. And I will see you on the next video.
Okay, that's a different look at the same stock market. I encourage you to dig deeper into Ran. He has other videos that he is putting out, and see if he fits a need for you. And then I want to extend again this invitation to any of you. I don't really care. It doesn't need to be in investing. I'm here to help you. And one of the assets I have right now is approaching 18,000 subscribers. If you hit it good with them and they subscribe, they can take you into monetization very quickly. That's my commitment to you.